was a busy week, so you know the Intense 5 on a different level. Chase Cross rearrested on assault charges. You didn't know he was Mavado's cousin? So he was arrested last week when they scooped up some of Mavado's family and released, but they went back for him this week. Wow.
Boy, it's long time Mavado don't make the Intense 5 so much time. So apart from being wanted for questioning, it turns out that he was defrauded of $30 million by real estate lawyer Jennifer Mesado. So far, she has paid him back $9 million, but it looks like she won't be getting off easy at all.
Trump meets Kim Jong-un. The constant handshaking was a bit odd, but this will definitely go down in the history books.
So imagine, almost everyone watching the World Cup opening live from Russia and Robbie Williams doing his thing on the stage. All of a sudden, the man decides to show the world his middle finger. It's a trend, clearly. He had a reason. Who knows what it was? Do you know what it was? No idea what it was.
Just a trend.
Live TV, bro.
And finally holding the spot this week. Sorry, not sorry. I don't think Jackie realized what he was going to start. So after him cuss out all sound boys and DJs, he supposedly apologized, but he said it wasn't him. So no apology. Look here, I'm not the brokest host in the biz. Marriage!
Wow.
Woo! That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember, we're on Facebook and Instagram at TVJ Intense, so follow us.
Up next, Rondell Positive tells us about his latest song and of course what he thinks about Ball Out. Intense soon forward.